Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use a bubble camera. First, let's get your new bubble camera ready for action. Carefully remove all packaging and ensure you have all the parts, including the camera body and bubble solution bottle. Next, open the battery compartment, usually located on the bottom, and insert 3 AA or 4 AAA batteries, making sure they are correctly oriented. Finally, fill the designated reservoir with your preferred bubble solution, up to the indicated fill line, which is often about 2/3 full. Now that your bubble camera is set up, let's make some bubbles. Locate the power button, usually on the handle, and switch it on. You might hear a small motor whirring. Point the camera safely away from people's eyes and any delicate surfaces. When you're ready, press and hold the trigger or activation button. You should see a delightful stream of bubbles emerge from the nozzle. For the best results, try to keep your hand steady and avoid rapid movements. Proper maintenance ensures your bubble camera lasts a long time. After each play session, it's important to empty any leftover bubble solution from the reservoir. Then, rinse the reservoir and the bubble-making nozzle thoroughly with clean, plain water to prevent clogs and sticky buildup. Use a soft, damp cloth to wipe down the camera's exterior, removing any sticky residue. Finally, store your clean and dry bubble camera in a cool, dry place, away from direct sunlight, to protect its components. Sometimes you might encounter small issues, but don't worry, they're usually easy to fix. If your camera isn't producing bubbles, first check the batteries. They might need replacing. Also, confirm that the bubble solution reservoir is filled to at least 1/2 capacity. If bubbles are sparse, the nozzle might be clogged. Gently clear it with a small, soft brush or cotton swab. Always use a good quality bubble solution for the best and most consistent bubble output.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.